Good morning, student. This is Vijay sir. Today I am here with the first chapter of economics, the story of village Palampur. First of all, we have to understand the basic concept of this chapter. This is a chapter about an economic unit called Palampur. This is hypothetical or imaginary. It shows how an economic unit functions, right? So let's start with the chapter. First of all, we have to understand that the main occupation or the main activity of the people of the village Palampur is farming. You can say that the economy of village Palampur is based on agriculture, right? But some other small industries are also present there, right? So they are developing activities, they are under developing, right? So they are under development. So these are basically small scale manufacturing units, and these small scale manufacturing units works on main 4 pillars, that is natural resources. Obviously natural resources play a prominent role in any industry, whether it is small or big. So here also natural resources means you can say land. The very basic thing is land. Then you can say forest, then you can say timber work, etc. and etc. right? Second main pillar is man-made resources. In this topic, you can have tools, machineries, etc. Human efforts means ki the village the people of village Palampur are, the labor present in this village are skilled or not. So under this human effort, skilled and unskilled laborers can be covered. And the next is money, very important. Money means investment, okay? So on the basis of these 4 pillars, small scale manufacturing units are also flourishing in this village, right? Next is this Palampur is well connected with a small towns like Raiganj. आप अपनी बुक में देखेंगे, इसमें रायगंज को मेंशन किया गया है, शाहपुरा को मेंशन किया गया है. ऑल दीज स्मॉल टाउन्स आर वेल कनेक्टेड विथ पालमपुर थ्रू वेरियस मीन्स लाइक थ्रू जीप, थ्रू तोंगास, थ्रू बैलगाड़ीज, एक्सेट्रा. ओके, नाउ इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द पॉपुलेशन, 450 families are there in this village. Upper caste families and lower caste family. Upper caste families are basically those families who own large part of land, okay? They are landowners, right? And lower caste families are those families which are comes under the landless laborers, right? So 2 types of families are there: upper caste families, lower caste families, right? Or you can say the large landowners or landless population. Now the next is upper caste families are 2/3 in population. They are in majority. Lower caste families are 1/3 in population, okay? They are in minority. Upper caste families have houses made of bricks and cement, whereas lower caste families lived in hut, that is the झुग्गीज. आप पढ़ेंगे झुग्गीज वर्ड भी इसमें यूज़ किया गया है. झुग्गीज मीन्स slum. These are basically slum people, okay? तो upper caste families have higher standard of life, whereas लोअर कास्ट फैमिलीज हैव पुअर स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लाइफ. अब आपको ये खुद गेस करना पड़ेगा कि आखिर ऐसा क्यों है, हम इस चैप्टर में भी देखेंगे. सो लोअर कास्ट फैमिलीज आर बेसिकली मैनुअल लेबरर्स हैं, डेली वेजेस पे काम करते हैं, अनस्किल्ड हैं, राइट? एंड लिव पुअर स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लाइफ. ऑब्वियसली जब उनके पास रिसोर्सेज कम है, जब उनके पास स्किल नहीं है, तो उनकी इकोनॉमिक लाइफ भी उतनी स्ट्रांग नहीं है, तो उनकी जो स्टैंडर्ड होगी लाइफ की वो बहुत पुअर होगी. पालमपुर विलेज हैज़ 2 प्राइमरी एंड 1 प्राइवेट स्कूल. उस गांव में, इस विलेज में 2 प्राइमरी स्कूल है और 1 प्राइवेट स्कूल है. तो आप एजुकेशन भी देख सकते हैं कि एजुकेशन को कितनी जगह इस विलेज में मिली है. इट हैज़ 1 हेल्थ केयर सेंटर एडेड बाय गवर्नमेंट एंड 1 प्राइवेट डिस्पेंसरी, ओके? तो हेल्थ केयर सिचुएशंस को भी आप देख सकते हैं कि हेल्थ केयर को लेकर के, अपनी फिटनेस को लेकर के, अपनी वेलबींग्स को लेकर के यहाँ के लोग किस तरीके से वेल अवेयर्ड है उस गांव में. ऐसा नहीं है कि बिल्कुल नहीं है, लेकिन ऐसा है कि वहाँ पर एक हेल्थ केयर सेंटर गवर्नमेंट का भी मौजूद है और एक प्राइवेट सेंटर भी मौजूद है, राइट? तो दिस इज़ द आउटलाइन ऑफ द चैप्टर. to have a broad view over the economic activities of village Palampur. Okay, so the next when I come with the next part, I will discuss about the organization of production. Okay, so thank you for watching. Stay connected. Have a nice day.